Hello and welcome to your new Ultimate Budget Planner. First of all, congratulations. This budget planner will definitely help you understand where your money is going. To get started, open the Categories tab and create up to 10 income subcategories and up to 50 expense subcategories. Or you can just use the predefined ones and customize them. For example, the subcategories could be electricity, water, heating, and the corresponding category for all three would be utilities. This will help you later when you analyze your expenses. Think carefully about the categories and subcategories you want to use, as they will form the backbone of the whole budgeting process. In each tab, you can click on the title of the category and a short tutorial will appear. In the same Categories tab, you can add your current savings and investment status. Basically, how much you currently have saved or invested somewhere. This is necessary for your data to be displayed correctly in the Dashboard Graphs tab. Continue with the Planned Expenses tab. In each predefined expense subcategory, enter your planned budget how much you think you will spend in each of them. You can always change your budget later. You can enter your budget for 1 month or for the whole year just as you like. Next, open the Planned Income tab and do the same for your projected income. Enter your expected income for each category, either for 1 month or for the whole year, whichever you prefer. You can always adjust your budget later. If you want to add income categories or cost subcategories later, please do so in the Categories tab. If you have already started entering data in other tabs, you should not change the names of the categories. You can, however, add new ones at any time. If you delete them, an error may occur. Once you have filled in these 3 tabs, the only thing left to do is to fill in the Actual Expenses and Actual Income tab on a daily basis. This is very easy. Just add a date, an amount, and select the correct subcategory. The rest is done automatically. The more accurately you add your expenses and income, the better overview you will get. Finally, the Dashboard tab gives you a complete overview of your budget. You can click on each heading to get more information about the graphs. Please note that titles with a white background are customizable. You can choose which subcategory or category you want to see in the graphs for a more in-depth analysis. Feel free to toggle between graphs whenever you like, or just leave the ones you want permanently. The Dashboard tab is your ultimate guide to achieving your goals. Enjoy your new ultimate budgeting tool.